So I'm heading home right now, but I'm gonna give my friend a puppy. A puppy. This is the little girly whirly we're giving away. Girly whirly. It's the part for our embark trip. So she's in a bag right now, but she has her head out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give him snacks, and I'm gonna give him this bag, and then I'm gonna run. Cause I don't know if he's allowed to have dogs, but then we're gonna find out. Oh, he just texted me too. So yeah, there we go. She's up in this bag. She looks pretty comfy, and yeah, store too. And I still can't find the snacks that I told him I was bringing, because he doesn't know I'm bringing this dog. But yeah, like, why does nowhere have these damn snacks? Like, come on. He had to pick the hardest snack in the world to find. Like, what's going on? What is really going on? They was asking me, Mari, why do you act the way that you do? Because I'm bad. We are bad. Like, when you look like this, you do what you want. So far, I've been to 4 stores, and none of the stores have the snacks that he wants. And she's just over here vibing. She's vibing. So I know that once she gets to him, they're just gonna vibe together. Because all right, that was just the 5th store I've been to looking for these damn Arizona gummies. Like, she's tired, I'm tired. It's like I'm gonna go to one more, making this 6 stores. I'm going to look for these damn Arizona gummies. And he did say, well, you can give me licorice. I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not doing it. And you'll say, the price of my love's not the price that you're willing to pay. And you cry, despite our arrangement. So sad. Alright, chat, this is the 7th corner store, and it's the last one. I'm not looking any further for these damn licorice. We won't see what they say. Hey, y'all hear the music? I don't know if y'all do. My mic might not be that good, but bow. Alright, so the 7th store had the gummies, and when I was in the store, I asked him, I was like, do you want a juice also? And he was like, you're being suspiciously nice, because I'm not nice to him. No, F you. But yeah, so he's a little loopy. He's a little suspicious. But I'm about to close her up, and I'm going to give him his stuff. Give me a second. Okay, all right. So he's coming right now. Ooh, he's coming. He needs to hurry up. I don't want this damn dog to die, guys. He needs to hurry up. The dog gonna die, guys. So I told him, hurry up, the dog is gonna die. Oh my god, this poor dog. I don't want her to die. Oh my god, he's taking a sweet time. Like, come on, bro. You can't be serious. Like, is this the right door? He needs to hurry up. Okay, she's not screaming or anything, which is good. She's chilling. I have a little crack open for her. Bro, he's over here taking his sweet mother effing time, bro. He's getting me upset. Like, come on. Like, does he not know this is real life? Alright, I think I see him coming downstairs. Okay. Bro, can you please hurry up? 16 business. Okay, so I actually did in fact bring. Do you want?
Yeah, I'll take it.
It's icy.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll take my iced tea back.
But where's the Arizona gummies?
Okay, the Arizona gummies are right here.
Yeah.
2.
Okay, now what?
Now, are you gonna drink my
Yes, I'm gonna eat all of this.
Okay.
Because I don't have food stamps. Why did you do this?
Because I owe you food.
I mean, for what?
I owe you.
Oh, This is too suspicious, bro.
Oh, you. Okay, good night.
Something happened. You sure?
Oh, I still have your bag. Do you want your bag?
Nah, it's okay.
No, keep it. Keep it. No, take it.
No, keep it.
No. Please.
But it's a free baker bag.
No, but it's ripped. I don't want a ripped bag.
Okay. I'll take it.
No, I'm not being caught. I'm not being caught. I'm actually weak, bro. bro, give him the dog and ran. I'm crying. It was all a trap. It was all a trap. Bro. He have to do something with that damn dog. Or something. That felt good. I'm over here like, please take the bag, please. Oh.